Hello, everyone. Controlling RGB LEDs with a remote control has become boring for me. Especially, I found it difficult to light these lights in the color I wanted. I came up with an idea. In a previous video on my channel, I talked about creating a web server with ESP32. If you haven't watched it, you can check it out from the link above. In this video, I will show you how to control 12V RGB LED strips via a web server created with ESP32. The operating voltage of the ESP32 is 3V. We need a PWM signal to control the RGB LEDs. The PWM signal is generated by the ESP32 range from 0 to 3V. We need to convert this signal to a PWM signal ranging from 0 to 12V. For this, I will use the 2N2222 transistor, which is an NPN transistor. The RGB LED I am using is common anode. I will connect the positive terminal of the RGB LED to 12V and pass the negative terminals through the transistors. I have shared the ESP32 program file and circuit diagram in the description section of the video. I hope you find the video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.